Numbers on the top of alphabets is missing in Samsung keyboard. How do you fix it? So if the numbers on the top of the alphabets is missing on your Samsung keyboard, so whenever you open up your Samsung keyboard, if the numbers are not showing up over here, well, it's not showing up, it's just that the feature might have been currently disabled. So in order to fix this, you can tap on this gear icon, which is the settings icon of your Samsung keyboard, and over here you can see various options. In this case, you can see keyboard toolbar. You can simply turn on keyboard toolbar first of all, and here you can see various options. In this case, what we want to do is we want to go to the option called layout, and you can turn on number keys. So if number is not shown, you can see number will not be shown, but you can turn on number keys like this, and now the numbers will be shown. So under the layouts tab of your Samsung keyboard settings, you should be able to find that. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.